Several cities in India witnessed mock drills after Operation Sindoor to prepare for retaliatory attack from Pakistan. As per reports, the missile strikes by the Indian Air Force caused the maximum damage. However, the Indian Army also deployed indigenously built suicide drones, officially referred to as low cost miniature swarm drone or loitering munition system. These launched precision strikes on terror bases deep inside Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Developed by a private sector entity with the help of technology from DRDO, the drones were part of regular military exercises, surveillance, reconnaissance, and attacks over the years. But it is not just the military drones that are grabbing headlines. On his recent visit to India, Bill Gates applauded the Drone Didi initiative. Here, the village ladies are primarily trained in drone flying skills to fertilize crops. Applying fertilizers via drones has a lot of benefits over doing it by hand. Plus, it is faster. Each drone Didi can cover as much as 5 acres in the same time it would take 5 people to cover half an acre manually. So, agriculture has become the next best use case for India's indigenous drones. Then there are drones for logistics. The unmanned aerial vehicles or drones are revolutionizing healthcare logistics, swift transporting medical supplies, samples, and emergency aid to hard to reach communities. Leading Indian drone companies have been at the forefront of this transformative shift, adapting their technology to navigate the country's unique geographical and climate conditions. Although at a nascent stage, the industry has wide scope and looks quite promising. We are not far away from when India becomes a global drone hub. As the emerging drone industry is experiencing high growth, it is crucial to monitor the leading companies in this sector. Choosing the right drone stock can potentially yield significant returns. Keeping a watch list of the top drone stocks in India could help you navigate the mock drill of the stock markets in navigating geopolitical uncertainties. First on the list is India's largest and most credible defense aerospace technology company, which is in the defense space, Hindustan Aeronautics. HAL, as it's called, plans to produce 60 drone platforms in the first phase of its project. The company is also working on 2 separate drone projects with the DRDO. In a con call, the company's management mentioned recently that they are developing a rotary drone of 200 kg class. This apart, HAL is looking to produce the Israeli Heron TP drones in collaboration with its manufacturer. Zen Technologies. This is a drone tech company and a leading provider of defense training solutions, headquartered in Hyderabad with offices in India and US. It has applied for over 90 patents and shipped more than 1,000 training systems across the globe. Drones have become a buzzword for the company as whenever it received a significant order, the shares of Zen Technologies rallied big time. Ratan India Enterprises. This company initially made an investment in US-based Matternet, the world's most extensive urban drone logistics platform. At the time of investment, it announced the formation of the Indian subsidiary to kickstart the drone business in India. Ratan India Enterprises, with its wholly owned subsidiary NeoSky, now has a drone business in India. NeoSky covers multiple segments and makes defense drones, consumer drones, etc. It develops a cutting-edge drone system focusing on industry applications in India. The company makes the Defender drones, which is an anti-drone system. Defender is an AI-enabled system and it's an ideal solution for mitigating the risks that the Indian Armed Forces face today. In May 2022, Ratan India through NeoSky acquired 60% stake in the drone company Throttle Aerospace Systems. This acquisition was aimed at providing NeoSky full 360-degree drone solutions to customers. Then there is Paras Defense. Through its subsidiary Paras Aerospace, Paras Defense primarily focuses on drone-related aerospace technology development. It launched the subsidiary back in 2019. So, Paras Defense via its subsidiary has tied up with few UAV manufacturers in Israel, Latvia and Italy. Paras Aerospace has been shortlisted by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs in the category of drone component manufacturers, among others. The company is eligible to receive incentives from the MOC as per the terms and conditions stipulated under the PLI scheme for drones. In addition, there is Dronacharya Aerial Innovations, which was the first Indian drone company to get listed on the stock exchanges, marking a milestone for this industry. The company specializes in drone technology solutions and has carved a niche for itself in the fast growing sector. It provides a high-end ecosystem of drone solutions for multi-sensor drone surveys, data processing of drones, data using robust high-end configuration workstations, drone pilot training and specialized GIS training. Thus, the drone companies will continue to remain critical to not just Indian defense but also medical, agricultural and logistics infrastructure. We should not be surprised to find more such companies in the drone ecosystem getting listed over the years. Therefore, keep a watch list and keep buying only the best and most high conviction stocks in this space, which could fetch you the desired returns. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.